Are you ready to be chosen? Are you ready to be destined for greatness? With that, I now declare the 2018 World Singers Congress open!
Passion for your name we run. Freedom, you've broken every chain.
Challenge of sacrifice, to be fired up, to be inspired, to have a good vision. That may take some painful changes in life.
How can I say no to a God who's always there for me? How can I say no to a God who never failed me?
I might lose everything, but I'm here standing in front of you, and I choose to worship God with all my life.
I praise you and thank you with all my heart and will forever worship you.
The greatest that the world offers, there's something beyond this. And it is the greatness of God. And He is great. And He is the greatest of all.
Kapag inalay mo ang sarili mo, kahit madaming tanong, kahit masakit, kahit mahirap, dahil kapag inuna mo ang Diyos, lahat magiging maayos.
God is choosing us every day. Kahit na marami tayong pinagdadaanan, kahit na marami tayong bagay na hindi gusto sa buhay natin, do not lose this basic truth that God chose you.
Keep that desire in your heart because the best is yet to come.
For those who are broken, seek for the Lord. The moment na makilala niyo siya, that's the only time na masasabi niyong kumpleto na ako.
Ang Diyos na pumili sa akin at hanggang sa dulo nilaban niya ako. At ang tanging pangahawakan ko lang ay ang pagmamahal niya. Dahil alam ko, hanggang dulo magkasama kami.
You deserve peace. So you do what you can so that you can be set free from whatever it is that is chaining you down.
You have offered your life and your days to the Lord today. And for that purpose, I'm sure God will give you the grace for a holy preparation of Easter.
Naging better person ako dahil nasa buhay ko na si Lord. I'm so blessed na nandito si Lord sa buhay ko, nasa puso ko siya every day. Unworthy as I am, imperfect as I am, andito siya sa buhay ko, sa lahat ng ginagawa ko.
It is hard. It is not easy. Expect that you will be persecuted. Expect that people will challenge you. But God is continuously calling us to do great things, to evangelize, even it's hard.